Okay, I got a package today in the mail. It's from Green Banana Paper. I asked them to make some business cards for my consulting business. So I'm going to open those up now, show you what I got, and then talk a little bit about how they made it, and give you a little bit of insight on a project I've got going on with them later this year, or actually next year, summer of 2019. Okay, so these are my business cards. Comes with a pretty sweet little package. Got a little note. Hey Brian, hope these cards works wonders for you. Thank you for your purchase and support. Kulu Malulap. I'm sure I'll figure out what that means. The Green Banana Paper team. Okay, cool. So they make a lot of products out of banana paper and leaves, banana leaf. So that's what it looks like our tag is made out of, string. This is the business card. You can see that, pretty cool looking. On the back I've got definition of my business. What is Lean Six Sigma? Okay, here's the package. More cards. Cool. I think I got 50 or 100, I'm not sure, but it'll be a good conversation starter for people. And what they do is they take the banana leaves that are no longer needed or in use, and basically they're just going to compost and rot in the ground, but they take it and break it apart and turn it into paper. So completely sustainable, creates jobs in their island. They're based out of Koshrai, gotta get the pronunciation right. And I'm going to be there in the summer for about 6 weeks to help them out with some of their manufacturing. They also make rolling paper. They make wallets. I've got a wallet already. That's how I found out about them. So really excited to share more with that. I'm going to be posting when I get over there in late May through early July. I'll be basically trying to do a daily video post of what we're working on, how I'm helping out or getting in the way, whichever turns out. But basically trying to teach them some process improvement techniques and learn a lot about their culture, learn about the challenges they have. They're in Micronesia, which is an island in the Pacific Ocean. It's got challenges with climate change and sea level rise. They're really trying to build their economy to kind of wean themselves off of US funding and support. So really excited to see what they've got going on. See if I can help in any way, and also bring attention to some of the challenges they have and see if we can get more business for them all over the world. So look for more updates from me later this year. As I get closer to the May timeframe, I'll update and give you some more idea exactly what I'll be doing. And then, like I said, late May to early July, I'll be over there, and I'll try to give lots of frequent updates. So hope that's exciting and interesting to you, and feel free to share that with others as I start posting that out. Talk to you later.